Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about getting rid of pop-ups that are associated with the website News-tabiva.cc. So it's a rogue site designed to load questionable content, and sometimes it may also redirect visitors to other shady or even malicious web pages. There are a lot of such websites on the internet, and they all try to display pretty misleading and extremely filthy content very often. So you need to be very careful whenever you see these pop-ups. They will try to make you click on the special allow button displayed or integrated into the pop-up. So in this particular case, it says that this video cannot be displayed. Perhaps your browser does not allow you to play the video. Click allow to watch the video. This was the quotation, but all this information is totally faulty and misleading, I mean the one displayed by this pop-up. If you start interacting with such alerts and if you mistakenly click on the special allow button, this way your browser will be hijacked. You will be forwarded to some other questionable content and you will start getting a lot of intrusive ads to be displayed in the right bottom part of your screen. So you definitely need to fix the issue if you have clicked on allow button by mistake. Go to the menu, click on Settings, scroll down to the special area called Privacy and Security, choose Site Settings. In Permissions, select Notifications and carefully go down to the bottom of the list that displays sites allowed to send notifications. If you see any other malicious pages, get rid of them completely from this list, and this way your browser will be fixed manually. Also, I would recommend you to research your computer additionally with the help of the program called Combo Cleaner. You may go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software and research your computer with its help to be convinced that there are no any other malware traces on your system. After you successfully download and install the software Combo Cleaner, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan type available. The premium version also gives you full system scan and custom scan. So you may click on Start Scan button and the program will begin the analysis of your Windows computer. You may get back and experiments with some preferences or settings of Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner works very well at protecting your computer against all contemporary kinds of threats, including ransomware. So the premium version gives you excellent protection against all current ransomware type infections. By the way, you may add a special folder that will protect your data in that folder. But again, that's the part of the premium version only. So while the quick scan is in progress, the program will give you the report about all kinds of infections that may be the part of your Windows computer right now. The scanning will take at least several minutes, I would say, and then at the end of scan you will see the complete summary of all threats that are currently available on your Windows computer. So you simply need to wait a bit until the scanning is over to see the detailed report. Then, at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of threats. It will also give you the location of each specific threat and what it does with your computer. You may remove all these threats, however, by upgrading to the premium version of the program or by asking for a limited period of time of full trial key.